professional builds a picture frame. Step 1. Measure the artwork. Step 2. Chop the molding. Step 3. Pin the frame together. Step 4. Cut glass and mount. Step 5. Create a hinge. Step 6. Mount the artwork onto the backboard. Step 7. Crop the backing. Step 8. Clean. Missed a bit of dust. Step 9. Seal the artwork. Step 10. Fix artwork into the frame. We seal off the back to prevent dust from entering the artwork. Final step, enjoy your artwork.
Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how I build and put together my wood frames. Alright, so the type of wood that I use you can get from Home Depot or Lowe's. It's this pine wood. This is a 1x2x6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the piece I'm probably going to cut, which is this one. It's a little bit longer than I need it, so you're just going to make a square. So I'm just going to line it up to where that meets the corner, and that's going to be my first end. And then this end overhangs, so this end is not going to overhang, so I'm going to make it flush to the canvas and flush to this end of the wood, and draw a line. And now we're going to go cut it. Okay, now that I have my first piece cut, we're going to do the next piece, which is the corner piece. Okay, now we got that piece in place. We're going to do our last one. I'll pretty much just kind of go through all my scrap pieces and see if I can't cut those first and make them fit. And then if not, then I'll go to my next new piece of wood. So we're going to line this all back up to where it's supposed to be. And I can see this one's going to be a little extra longer. I got a small space to work with, so sometimes I kind of have to make it work. But we'll make that cut again after we get this last piece. So we're just going to, it's just like fitting in a puzzle. So I'm just going to put that last piece in, line it all up, and make it straight on all ends. Make my mark. And we'll go cut the last piece. Alright, so we're just going to fit everything back in place, make sure everything looks good. Make sure there's not any more cuts that need to be made, any imperfections that we don't like. think I'm gonna cut a little bit off this end. Alright, so now that we got everything fixed and everything looks good on the canvas, we're gonna go get the nail gun and we're gonna nail this in place. So you're just gonna line your 2 pieces up on your next one. And shoot them in. Last 2. And that is it.
We're creating a woodblock photo holder to display one of our favorite photos.
We're just creating a simple design, adding a little bit of painter's tape. And adding a little acrylic paint.
And then we're doing a little splatter effect with the toothbrush, making it look retro and 80s. And then you want to create something to hold the photo, and for that we're making a heart shape out of a piece of wire. It doesn't matter what shape you use, you can use a circle.
Yeah, keep it easy.
Drill a hole so that we can put our wire in there, glue it together, and then we have a unique and one-of-a-kind photo holder.
So rad.
So cute.
Let's make a lazy picture frame. Stick magnetic strips to one side of 4 pieces of wood. Drill holes in one of the pieces. Put some wood glue on a couple vice screws and screw them in. Chill for 30 minutes. Tie some string to the screws. Clamp the top and bottom of your poster between the wood. Hang and enjoy.